Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 6 controllers not working on PC. Whether your Xbox, PlayStation, or other gamepad isn't being detected, or you simply want to make sure your controller works perfectly in-game, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Steam client and go to your library. Right-click on Battlefield 6 and select Properties. On the left, click the Controller tab. Under Override for Battlefield 6, choose Enable Steam Input from the drop-down menu. Launch the game and test your controller. If it's still not responding, go back and switch to Disable Steam Input, then try again. Sometimes toggling these options resolves the issue quickly. Next, click on Steam Settings and go to the Controller section. Here, make sure to enable support for your specific controller type: Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, or generic controllers. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if prompted. After making changes, restart Steam and test Battlefield 6 again. To make the process smoother, check that your controller is properly connected and batteries are charged if wireless. This helps prevent detection issues. Once that's done, open the Start menu, type Device Manager, and expand Human Interface Devices. Locate your gamepad, right-click it, and select Disable Device. Wait a few seconds, then right-click again and enable device. This refresh often fixes detection problems immediately. Finally, update your controller drivers manually. In Device Manager, right-click your gamepad, choose Update Driver, then browse My Computer for drivers, and select the correct driver from the list. Click Next, let Windows install it, then restart your PC. After this, launch Battlefield 6, and your controller should be working perfectly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, your controller will now be fully functional in Battlefield 6 on PC without any hassle. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?